Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here, making another batch of soap. This soap was a little bit more sloppy, but none of it would go to waste. That's why they call me Frugal. On these ends here, they hadn't quite set up hard yet. I'll trim all those off with a carrot peeler, potato peeler, and I'll save those. And I'll cut that down into bar size. That's regular lye soap. See that pretty white colored? This is a different mold than this one. I prefer this mold. There's 12 slots in there, and you get about a 5-ounce bar of soap out of that, and that's a nice bar of soap. This is my first scented batch. You see, I've got my molds numbered, and that helps me keep everything straight. Once this is pulled out from here, that's its date of birth, and then it goes 6 weeks to cure out. This is a castor oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil mixture, and it's good for skin and good for washing too. Castor oil helps get suds. A lot of people think, it's not really getting you clean unless you have suds, but it's not true. But these trimmings that I have on here, I'll take and get about 10 ounces of those. I'll melt them down again, and what I'll do, I'll melt them in vinegar, and that way I'll use my double boiler, which is right there, and that way the vinegar neutralizes any of the lye that may have been left in the soap. Normally they're eaten after this process, but I just do it in putting vinegar in with the liquid soap helps it. What I use is a cup of Arm & Hammer Laundry Booster Super Washing Soda and a cup of 20 Mule Team Borax. And I'll mix those two together, and they'll congeal, and I use rainwater in mine. And then I've got vinegar too. And then I'll take a little bit of liquid dish detergent, about 2 squeezes, and put in there. And then sometimes I'll put a cup or two of some cheap degreaser in there, like purple stuff or something like that. And that's what I use as a laundry detergent. And with all that, I'm up under $1 a gallon. So that'll save you big bucks. And with me making the soap, I'm trying to get an accurate cost per bar, but I'm probably at a cost of $1/4 to 50 cents a bar. Maybe not. I doubt that much, really. And but I'll fine tune those figures. But you save a lot of money making your own soap and kind of make the blend to what your particular needs are. And all the scraps you can use in your homemade laundry detergent. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.